Hello again, Steve Ladon from MarineMax Boston. We are on our 2021 Sea Ray 270 Sun Deck Trade. This boat's powered by a V8 300 Mercury in the white color. Also have a nice white interior on this boat. Exterior color on this boat's Horizon, the gray. As we move into the cockpit, one of the nice features on a 270 is you have an expansive U-shaped seating. And when you're not underway, you have the ability to flip the backrest on both sides, enjoying the entertaining. And then when you're ready to head home for the day, you pop your seat backs forward. And now you have four people facing forward, which is great in this class of boat. As expected on this boat, you do have a nice day head. This boat also has a sink in the head, an easy pump out. So not dealing with a porta potty. Moving to the bow. Again, one of the Sun Deck features, you have a nice squared off bow. So you, with an 8.6 beam, you carry that forward. So you have plenty of space, nice 4-person space up front. For more information on this boat or any of our other boats here at MarineMax Boston, please reach out to Steve Ladon at 774-991-3880.